Welcome.
Thank you.
Please, what's your name?
My name is Fernando.
Fernando?
Yeah.
Basi?
Yes.
Where is Wisdom coming from?
Akwa Ibom State, Itulo government.
Wisdom, what do you know about Asante Kotoko?
Yeah, I know Kotoko is one of the great teams in Africa, so I know how big the club is, so I'm privileged to be here.
It's a club that's very demanding, and you are going to play at the Baba Yara Stadium. I think the name resonates so well with most Nigerians because of recent World Cup qualifier that Ghana sailed through. Are you ready for the demand? It's a passionate city for football-loving fans. How ready are you?
Yeah, I'm very much ready. I know the demand. I know why I'm here, so I'm ready to go, 100%.
The team didn't do so well last season, and the expectation is that the club will do well this season by winning the league. The fixtures are out. We have a week to start the league. How prepared are you, and how are you planning to adapt so quickly to Ghana football?
Yeah, as I said, we have no time to waste. I'm ready, 100% ready before I got here, so I know what they're expecting from me. I'm speaking with the coach, and he knows what I can do, and I'm here to add to the team to win the league.
Was it a difficult decision accepting to join Kotoko, or because of its history and the country similarities with Nigeria, so it made your decision somehow easy for you to decide on coming to Kotoko?
It was a hard decision because I had many clubs contacting me to sign for them, but I made the decision to come to Asante Kotoko because of the club history, and the coach in particular has really been speaking to me about what he wants to do with the team and everything. So I'm glad to be here.
This is a team of talented young lads blend with other nationals from the continent, some from Guinea, others from Congo, and now we have a Nigerian. What should supporters expect from you?
Yeah, supporters should expect much more from me because I'm a player who have the speed. I know how to score goals. I know how to make the fans happy. So that's what they should expect.
For fans who probably have not heard of you, have not watched your game, which player would you liken your style of play to? It could be on the continent of Africa, who is well known. It could be in Europe. Your style of play, which player can you liken yours to?
Yeah, for now, I may say finishes on Mbappe. That's my kind of style of play. So that's it.
How was the communication like, talking to the hierarchy of the club, the coach? What convinced you the most? Is it about an explanation in terms of the deep discussion regarding the project he wants to do, or the weather? What convinced you the most, aside the history of the club? And
aside the history of the club, I like making my decisions to know the coach wants you to be here. And the project also, he explained everything to me. So it was easy for me because as long as you're working with a coach that wants you to be here, you'll be okay to give your best.
What's your target, as in your personal target, once you've moved to Ghana with the club, and what you aim to achieve at the end of the league season? Because Ghana League is very physical, it's very tough. How are you fine-tuning or psyching yourself to embrace these challenges that will come? And what are you going to put on the table for the club in terms of what you want to achieve with us?
Yeah, for me, I must say personal demands are not really what I want. I really believe in team progress. For me, it would be nice my first season with the Asante Kotoko, we win the league, and I do well by scoring goals and making things happen in the club.
Kotoko plays at the historic Baba Yara Sports Stadium. In Ghana, we call it the slaughterhouse. That's where Nigeria was slaughtered ahead of the second fixture, where we qualified for the World Cup. How are you? What's your mood like playing at this historic stadium that has its name inked in the history of African football?
Yeah, I must say I'm excited and I can't wait to get started.
Supporters will come in numbers, rooting for us to win, shouting your name. How are you gonna cope with that, and are you going to live up to the expectation they will?
Yeah, sure. I'm going to live up to my expectation, and I'm very positive I'm going to make the fans happy.
Wisdom, there has been a long-standing debate as to who has the best jollof. And I know you've tasted a lot of Nigerian jollof, and very soon, just after this interview, you have a feel of Ghana jollof. But before we go into it, which one would you choose?
I'm not eating so many jollof from Ghana yet, but Nigerian jollof is the best.
Nigerian jollof is the best.
Yeah.
So when you taste the Ghana jollof, it won't give you everything.
Maybe.
But for now, you go for your country's own.
Yeah.
Which brand of sportswear, in terms of your footwear, do you like? Puma, Adidas, or Nike?
Nike.
Okay. Would you like to have a last-minute goal, or you would want to have a last-minute assist for someone to score?
Last-minute goal.
Last-minute goal. Your favorite Nigerian player?
Victor Osimhen.
Victor Osimhen. So, who has been your role model in football? It could be an African or...
Yeah, Cristiano Ronaldo has been my role model since when I was,
Favorite music and favorite musician?
I'll go with Davido.
Davido?
Yeah.
Which song?
All of his songs is nice.
If you are to score on your debut at Baba Yara, which we know you are going to score a lot, how should the supporters shout your name? How should they call your name?
Yeah, my name is always Fernando, so Fernando is perfect.
So what are you looking forward to do the most in terms of assists, goals? What is your main target to achieve for the season, personally and the collective as with the team?
Yeah. For me, team progress is always number one. If the goal is there for me to score, I can score. If I'm in a position to assist, I will assist. So the team is always first.
Fernando, we wish you the best of everything. The season starts in a week time. We wish you a happy stay, and we hope you enjoy your stay in Ghana, and most especially in Kumasi.
Thank you.
So welcome to Asante Kotoko.
Thank you.